60 grade Fahrenheit, 60 grade Fahrenheit is the same of 10 grade centigrade. Alright, is John going with us? I don't know, but let's not wait for him. He's often late. Don't forget your ticket, son. On Monday, John asked about the game. Did you go to the game last Saturday? Yes, I did. I went with Bill. Did you walk to the stadium? Yes, we walked. It was very far. Did you have good seats? Yes, we did. We had very good seats near the center. How was the weather? Fine. It was a beautiful afternoon, cool but sunny. Did the game begin on time? Yes, it did. It began at 2 o'clock sharp. Did you enjoy? It began at 2 o'clock sharp. Did you enjoy the game? Yes, I did. I enjoyed it very much. Last Saturday I went to my first football game. It was American football, not soccer. The game started at 2 o'clock and ended at 4:30. The big college stadium was full. There were 60,000 people there. Some people walked to the stadium, some went on bus, and others drove. The weather was fine that afternoon. It wasn't cloudy and it wasn't windy. It was a beautiful fall day. Each team had 11 men on the field. Each team defended its own goal. Each team also tried to cross the other goal line with the ball. Sometimes they ran with the ball, sometimes they threw the ball, and sometimes they kicked it. The game was very kicked it.
Patear. Kick.
The game was very exciting, but when do they run? When do they throw the ball? And when do they kick the ball? I don't understand all the rules of the game. There are 2 halves in a football game. In the first half, our team crossed the other goal line once and made a touchdown. The other team made 2 touchdowns. The band played between the halves, and we cheered for our team. During the second half, we made another touchdown, and then another. The final score was 21 to 14. Of course, we were very happy because we won the game. Tom's impressions. Americans like sports very much. In the fall, the popular sport is football. All the high schools and universities have their teams. The boys on the teams practice after school every day. The games with other schools are usually on Saturday afternoons. Thousands of people, young and old, watch these football games in September, October, and November. In the winter, the popular sport is basketball. There is usually a game every Friday night in one school gymnasium or another. Some parts of the United States have a lot of snow and ice during the winter. Many people there like to ski or skate. In the other seasons, spring and summer, millions of Americans enjoy baseball. The schools have their games in the spring, but the important professional teams play during the summer. Some people go to these big games. The majority, however, listen to them on the radio, watch them on television, or read about them in the newspapers. Of course, a lot of people go swimming in the summer too. Some also play tennis or golf, and others go fishing. They like to be outdoors because it's warm during the months of June, July, and August. Don't be late today, don't wait for him, don't forget your ticket. Please don't be late today, please don't wait for him, please don't forget your ticket. Let's not be late today, let's not wait for him, let's not forget our ticket. El imperativo negativo se forma usando la palabra don't delante de la forma sencilla del verbo. La forma cortés es please don't. En la negación, let's se convierte en let's not delante de la forma sencilla del verbo. Don't copy these words. Don't erase the blackboard. Don't open your books now. Don't do your homework now. Don't do your homework now. Don't write in your books. Don't listen to those students. Don't talk with your friends. Don't wait for me. Don't sit in that chair. Don't read your letter now. Please don't copy these words. Please don't erase the blackboard. Please don't open your books now. Please don't do your homework now. Please don't write in your books. Please don't listen to those students. Please don't talk with your friends. Please don't wait a minute. Don't wait for me. Please don't sit in that chair. Please don't read your letter now. Let's open the door. No, let's not open the door. Let's open the window. No, let's not open the window. Let's talk about the weather. No, let's not talk about the weather. Let's study for our test. No, let's not study for our test. Let's practice our English. No, let's not practice our English. Let's visit the Dawsons. No, let's not visit the Dawsons. Let's invite them here. No, let's not invite them here. Let's listen